Hello guys, this is JD and welcome you guys to JD's English Club. Let's practice some relationship English sentences with Odia translation. So let's get started. First sentence. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ କଥା ହେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି. I want to speak to you. I want to speak to you. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ମନେ ପକାଉଥିଲି. I was missing you. I was missing you. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ସନ୍ଦେହ କରୁଛ? Are you doubting on me? Are you doubting on me? ବାଜେ କଥା କୁହନି. Don't talk rubbish. Don't talk rubbish. ସେ କେବଳ ମୋର ଜଣେ ଭଲ ସାଙ୍ଗ. He is just a good friend of mine. He is just a good friend of mine. ମୁଁ ବୁଝିଗଲି. I have understood. I have understood. ଏହା ତୁମର ଭୁଲ ଧାରଣା. It's your misunderstanding. It's your misunderstanding. ତୁମର ସନ୍ଦେହ କରିବାଟା ଗୋଟେ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ. It's your habit to doubt. It's your habit to doubt. ମୁଁ ସନ୍ଦେହ କରୁନି, କେବଳ ପଚାରୁଛି. I'm not doubting, just asking. I'm not doubting, just asking. ଯାହା ତୁମେ ଭାବୁଛ ସେମିତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ. There is nothing like this what you think. There is nothing like this what you think. ଏହି ଫଟୋ ତୁମର କିଏ ଉଠେଇଥିଲା? Who did take your this photo? Who did take your this photo? ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ଅଣଦେଖା କରୁଛ? Are you ignoring me? Are you ignoring me? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଦେଖା କରିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ସପ୍ତାହରୁ ଦେଖା କରିନି. I haven't met you from a week. I haven't met you from a week. ବାହାନା କରନି. Don't make an excuse. Don't make an excuse. କଲେଜ ଯିବା ବାହାନାରେ ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ଭେଟିବାକୁ ଆସିପାର. You can come to meet me pretending going to college. You can come to meet me pretending going to college. ମୋର କିଛି ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ କଥା ଅଛି ତୁମକୁ କହିବାକୁ. I have something very important to tell you. I have something very important to tell you. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଭେଟିକି କହିବି ବା ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଦେଖା କରି କହିବି. I'll talk to you in person. I'll talk to you in person. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ ଏକାକୀ କଥା ହେବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ. I want to talk to you alone. I want to talk to you alone. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ ଏକାକୀ କଥା ହେଇପାରେ କି? Can I talk to you alone? Can I talk to you alone? ଦୟାକରି ମନା କରନି. Please don't say no. Please don't say no. ମୋ ଉପରେ ନଜର ରଖନି. Don't keep your eye on me. Don't keep your eye on me. ତୁମେ ମୋ ବିଷୟରେ ଜାସୁସି କରୁଛ? Are you spying on me? Are you spying on me? ତୁମେ କି ଅଜବ କଥା କହୁଛ? How strange you are talking. How strange you are talking. ତୁମେ ଈର୍ଷା କରୁଛ? Are you getting jealous? Are you getting jealous? ତୁମର ଟିକେ ସାଧାରଣ ଜ୍ଞାନ ନାହିଁ କି? Don't you have any common sense? Don't you have any common sense? ଏହି କଥା ତୁମେ ମୋତେ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲ? Is that what you wanted to tell me? Is that what you wanted to tell me? ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ଡାକିଥିଲ? ଇଜ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ୟୁ କଲ୍ଡ ମି ଫର୍? ଇଜ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ୟୁ କଲ୍ଡ ମି ଫର୍? ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ କିଛି ସମୟ ବିତେଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। I want to spend some time with you. I want to spend some time with you. 2 ସପ୍ତାହ ହୋଇଗଲାଣି ଆମେ କଥା ହୋଇନେ। It's been 2 weeks we haven't talked to each other. It's been 2 weeks we haven't talked to each other. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଜଣଙ୍କ ସହିତ କଥା ହେବାର ଦେଖିଛି। I have seen you talking to someone. I have seen you talking to someone. ତୁମର ମୋ ପାଖରେ କିଛି କାମ ଅଛି କି? Do you have some work with me? Do you have some work with me? ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି ଏତେ ରାଗିଯାଅ? Why do you get so angry? Why do you get so angry? ମୁଁ ତୁମଠୁ ଏହା ଆଶା କରିନଥିଲି। I didn't expect this from you. I didn't expect this from you. ତୁମ ଛଡ଼ା ମୁଁ ଆଉ କାହା ସହିତ କଥା ହୁଏନି। I don't talk to anyone else except you. I don't talk to anyone else except you. ତୁମର ମୋତେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିବା ଉଚିତ। You should trust me. You should trust me. ତୁମେ ମୋ ମନ ଖରାପ କରିଦେଲ। You spoilt my mood. You spoilt my mood. ସତ ସବୁବେଳେ କଠୋର ହୋଇଥାଏ। Truth is always bitter. Truth is always bitter. ନିଜର ରାଗକୁ ନିୟନ୍ତ୍ରଣ କର। Have control on your anger. Have control on your anger. ତୁମେ ସୀମା ଅତିକ୍ରମ କରୁଛ। You are crossing the limit. You are crossing the limit. ମୋର କିଛି ଖରାପ ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟ ନାହିଁ। I don't have any bad intention. I don't have any bad intention. ମୋତେ ମୋ ନିଜ ଉପରେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦିଅ। Leave me on my own. Leave me on my own. ରାଗରେ ମୋର ରକ୍ତ ଗରମ ହୋଇଯାଉଛି। I'm so furious. I'm so furious. ତୁମେ ଜଣେ ଲଢ଼େଇ କରୁଥିବା ଲୋକ। You are bellicose. You are bellicose. ମୋ କଥାକୁ କିଛି ଖରାପ ଭାବନି। Don't mind my words. Don't mind my words. ତୁମ ଭିତରେ ଏତେ ଅହଙ୍କାର କାହିଁକି? Why is there so vanity in you? Why is there so vanity in you? ଏହା ମୋର ସହିବା ଶକ୍ତି ବାହାରେ। It's out of my tolerance. It's out of my tolerance. ତୁମ ରାଗରେ ବି ପ୍ରେମ ଅଛି। Your anger carries love. Your anger carries love. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. So please वीडियो को लाइक करंतु एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु स्पोकन इंग्लिश रा बहुत सारा वीडियोस पाइबाकू। टेक केयर। बाय।